In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, you can click on this plus next to Search Passwords to add a new one. Or if you can't see any of those options, click on this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you will be able to access those settings. After tapping on plus icon, input all of those informations. At the top, any website, or by clicking Select App, any app. Then username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!